No, you are an all
Okay, I'm trying to give you the opportunity if you need to use the restroom. You're not, sorry. You're not. Hello?
A driver was pulled over after a report of reckless driving. She claimed to be returning from Espanola after truck repairs, but inconsistencies in her story raised suspicion.
That truck right there, that's turning left right now.
Okay, the white one?
I pulled it in, but no, it's turning left over there. See it turning left?
Okay.
They're like wasted drunk, stopping in the middle of the road, pulling off, swerving.
Okay.
I pulled it in already, but
Okay, I'll check.
So for that 22 Vista del Rio, there's one in Milan, one in Peralta, one in Los Lunas. Which one are we going to?
Temperature, and actually they advised me in 22 from that one. I'm entering a call now at 119 Entrada Aragon Road. Purpose to shots fired neighborhood around 7 shots. There are 3 vehicles in the ditch bank just west of his house.
Hey! Ma'am, turn the car off. Where are you coming from?
I live in the apartment right here.
I know, but where are you coming from? Was he in your car or was he just right there?
No.
I don't know. Okay, you came from over there?
Yeah, I just got my jacket off here and I'll back to my apartment.
Okay. I'm Officer Streeter, New Mexico State Police. I got a call, anonymous person saying that you're driving a little crazy, so I came to make contact and check you out, okay? Make sure everything's okay.
We're heading back to our room. We have a room out there in Ramada.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you? Where'd you start your drive from?
From Ramada.
I just got my truck fixed.
You just got your... Okay. Do me a favor. Can I speak to the driver? Okay. All right. So where are you coming from? Okay. You just fixed your truck? Okay. Are you saying you started your drive today from Espanola?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you mean you fixed your truck?
Well, it had a bad mother-in-law, I guess. So
Police suspected the driver was under the influence of alcohol because of the strong smell of alcohol. Although the driver repeatedly denied it, police asked her to step out of the car for further evaluation.
the system of my truck.
So how about this? Did you pick your vehicle up from a dealership?
I did.
Okay. All right. You see how I was kind of confused on what you meant? Your vehicle's messed up and then you picked it up, so...
I picked it up and it's running.
Okay. So you're coming from Espanola, though, you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, and you guys have a room at the Ramada?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Do me a favor. Are you able to get out? I know you parked kind of close to this, but I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle and I'll talk to you in front of my unit, okay? Let's see if you're able to open. 5, 6, 6, 7. I'll be 10-6 traffic. I'm across from the 81 at the extended stay over here. Stand by for the 28. It's going to be on a gray truck. Got a oil in for you. Is that your copy? I'm going to have you come back here, okay? Olin's going to be out of New Mexico. See you right in front of my unit. Go ahead and stand there. Sorry about that. Come on over. We'll get a little right here. Stand right there, okay? All right. So like I said, the reason I'm talking to you is because they're for the safety, so I'm doing a check to see if you're okay. Because of the reason I got notified of the driving behavior, I came to talk to you. anything to drink tonight?
No, absolutely not.
Nothing at all? Any drug?
No, absolutely
Okay. And you're trying to end up here?
not. Yeah.
Okay. Right. So you said you started your drive in Espanola today, and then you came
I
down?
got my truck fixed.
Okay. You got your truck fixed today, or you picked it up today?
I picked it up. It was fixed.
Okay.
It seems to be running fine.
Okay. And is this where you're staying for the time being?
Yes.
So, okay. And who's the lady in the car with you?
My cousin.
Your cousin? Okay. All right. Because she initially was answering questions for you. I want to make sure that you're answering questions for yourself. All right. So you're saying you haven't had anything to drink at all?
No.
Okay. So is there a reason you can smell the odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from you?
No.
You haven't had anything to drink?
No.
Okay. All right. So I just want to make sure that you are okay to drive, okay? So, all right. Before we get started, do you have issues with your eyes? Do you wear contacts or glasses?
No.
All right, ma'am. So, last one, we're going to have you come over here to my unit. All right, let's walk over here now. You got it? Okay, be careful. All right, a little bit closer. All right. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. There you go.
The driver failed a sobriety test and was arrested for DWI. Despite protests of sobriety, the driver was informed of their rights and the legal consequences of refusing a breathalyzer test.
Okay, relax your wrist for me. Try not to move around. All right, so you are being placed under arrest for DWI, okay? Do you keep anything in your bra?
No.
Cards or keys or anything like that?
Well, I'm not under WI.
You're not under WI? Okay.
No.
All right. So what's going on? Could you explain why you're having issues standing up and balancing and
Well,
I can smell the odor of alcoholic beverage coming from you?
No, that.
You haven't had anything to drink at all?
No.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and check your midsection, okay?
I
Hold on, try not to move for me.
Your test.
How do you know you passed my test? It's not pass or fail. Are you wearing bra and underwear underneath this outfit? Okay.
Absolutely.
All right, you don't have anything else on you that you shouldn't have? All right, open your mouth for me. All right. Tilt your head back. And open your mouth for me. Open it for me. There you go. Thank you. Okay, free and clear. All right, I'm going to have you go back to my seat. I'm going to read something once you're in the front seat.
I passed the test. Like, I'm not drinking. You guys are crazy.
Hold on. That's okay. All right, go ahead and have a seat for me.
But I'm not drinking.
Okay. Are you under the influence of drugs?
No.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat, because I can smell the odor of alcoholic beverage. Especially when you're like talking right in my face, it gets really strong. Do me a favor though, have a seat.
That's kind of crazy because I can smell it on you too.
Really? Okay, go ahead and have a seat for me.
RP specify if they want contact or not.
I didn't drink like that.
All right, listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DWI, the New Mexico Implied Consent Act.
But I'm not drinking.
Here, listen. Let me read this to you, and then we'll go through the next step. Okay?
But I'm not.
But I need you to be able to listen to me, so please don't interrupt. Okay?
Oh my God.
We can talk here in just a minute. All right. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take an additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, a laboratory technician, or technologist who is employed by the hospital. Additional tests will be paid by the law enforcement agency, which is New Mexico State Police. Okay? Do you agree to take our test? Okay. So I'm going to read something else to you, okay? All right, I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driving license non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. If you are convicted in court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand? Okay, and with that said, do you agree to be tested? So can you verbally answer yes or no if you, because you're shaking your head, but we're like, because you've been talking to me this whole time, so can you tell me whether you agree to take the test or not? Are you not going to talk to me anymore? Okay. So just know, if you're not, I've asked you if you want to take the test or not. If you choose not to, that's fine. I read you the consequences, okay? Once we get back to my office, you'll get another opportunity to choose to take a test. If you choose to, you'll be sat down in front of the machine. But until then, we'll go ahead and just buckle you in here, okay? Okay. And then the vehicle, is that registered to you? Is it under your name? Are you not going to answer my question?
I'm gonna take away everything.
I'm asking you a simple question. If the vehicle you're driving, is that registered to you? Is it under your name? Okay. 568 St.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and show the driver 1015, 1047, approximately 20:04 hours. The Applied Consent Act was read. She verbally refused to be tested at this time.
The driver's cousin confessed she had an alcohol problem and had been drinking after losing his husband. She tried to help, but the police insisted on making an arrest.
Time. Deprivation period started at the same as arrest time. All right, ma'am, could you do me a favor?
Sure.
We're going to have you step out just for a minute.
Okay.
The officer's just going to relocate the vehicle because we're in the way of other people coming into the building, okay?
That's fine,
and
but-
then you'll be able to get back in and wait for your ride, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
So your friend here, she's saying that you guys haven't had anything to drink at all.
No, she's lying.
I know she is, and
She's just going through a lot. She just lost her husband recently.
Okay.
She's just going
yeah.
through, emotions and stuff. And I told her, pull over, I can drive. But she gets in this mood. To
Okay. So
she
where
gets
were
real
you guys
stubborn.
actually trying to come from?
We had gone to the mall right here.
Okay, so you guys were in Albuquerque area?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
All
since
right.
last
Let me
night.
have you step out so we can get people
Okay,
back into their
okay.
residence. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys were in town.
Yes, we're staying at the Ramada.
Okay.
Yeah. They're on Manal 2020.
And what's over here?
Huh?
What's at this place?
I don't know why she moved in here. I
Okay.
honestly don't know.
Fair enough.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm just.
You're just here for the ride?
Well, she's my cousin.
Yeah.
I'm older than her, and I told her, please, Leslie, please pull over.
Yeah.
I said, you've been drinking a lot. She has an alcoholic problem.
Oh, okay.
She's just recently
Right.
apologized.
That's okay.
Okay.
Aw.
Sit out here.
Okay, so we're actually going to move the truck over here?
No problem.
You don't want to sit over there with the vehicle and wait
once
for
you
a
guys
ride?
move it- Once you guys move it, I'll go
Yep.
over there.
Sounds good.
Open.
Perfect. All right, you're good if you can get in. Got the key fob? We're gonna be, yeah.
Get my
So Carlisle and Prospect, you're just east of Rudy's,
what's
the restaurant.
number?
I don't have the actual number to this location, but Prospect,
What is it called?
this hotel, it's a extended stay place. But just tell them you're just across from Carlisle and Prospect. Prospect is that street straight across from you.
From Carlisle.
Yeah, so worst case, if you need to, we could try to get you over to Rudy's, which is right across the street. Just tell them you're east of Rudy's, off of Carlisle.
Okay.
Okay? But you have somebody coming to get you, though?
I'm hoping to.
Okay. Oh, she did grab something, though. Hey! Do you want to go to jail?
No.
You want to go to jail?
No,
Then
no.
you need to get the fuck out of here.
Okay, I'm doing
No,
it.
I'm serious.
Bye.
Go.
I'm just getting
Go.
her ATM number.
No. Hey, is that her purse?
No, that's not her purse.
Which one is her purse?
No, none of them are her purse. I gotta get her. I gotta get money out
Hey,
to get us
there's
out.
a-
That's hers. That's hers.
This is hers.
No, this is mine. No, this is
Show me proof that it's yours, then.
It's mine. It's mine. This is my right here. Look.
Do you know how you're making this matter worse than it should be?
I'm not trying
Since
to.
when do you open doors?
I just told her to.
No. What did I tell you? I told you to leave. And what did you do?
I'm not the.
You disobeyed exactly what I told you to do. So I could take you to jail right now.
I don't have an ID. I lost my ID. But look, I say to you, my name is Rachel George. Look, here's my card.
You have an ID right there. You're full of shit.
That's my mom's ID.
Why do you have that?
That's my mom's ID.
Why do you have this in here?
Because it's my mom's. She just died like 2 years ago. Here's my Rachel George.
You need to listen.
Okay, I'm just kidding because I need to pull.
No, you know what? Listen, I tried to give you a chance.
I'm sorry, please, please. I'm just gonna go. My dad's gonna pick me up at Lakes.
So now it's your dad. Your dad, your daughter.
My daughter is gonna pick me up, Sierra George.
Can you open that up real quick just before she leaves?
That's just my cousin's. I gotta get her money out.
You shouldn't even let her drive.
I know, I don't try
No,
to pull her
so
over.
then why do you think it's okay to disobey me and go and open the door?
Sorry, I was just telling you.
You could go to jail just for
I
that.
needed to get her PIN
Don't
number.
yell at me.
I need to get her PIN number.
You don't actually. You don't. You really don't.
Yours.
But I need
You don't have the right to take. That's a problem for tomorrow.
Okay.
Not to get you thrown in jail over that.
Okay, I apologize.
Does that look like it could be hers?
Yeah, there's a cell phone in here.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right, we'll leave it in the truck.
That's Leslie's.
Where's her wallet and stuff? Where's
I don't
her
know.
ID?
I don't know.
Or her debit card.
I don't know.
You know,
I thought it was in there. I swear to God, and everything I love, I don't know.
I don't believe you.
I do.
Let me see that wallet one more time. Go through all the cards.
Go ahead. You can be more than welcome to
Because
do
you
that.
clearly wanted her debit card ID.
Because I need to pull.
Yeah, you didn't like my answer, so then you went and opened up my vehicle for no
Where's her
reason.
ID though?
I don't know.
Where's her debit card?
I don't know.
So then why'd you need her debit card?
So I could get money out, so I could pull
So
her out.
how you get money without her debit card?
Well, I thought maybe it was in there. I didn't know. I just.
And how did you pay for drinks and stuff?
She did.
Where's her debit card?
I don't know. I don't know where she has it. She
I
must
think
have.
you like to lie.
I'm not lying.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
Tell me why we should believe you, though. Because what have you done?
Nothing. I haven't done anything.
Now, what have you done to earn our trust? Because all you've done is violated.
Because I got to get money to pull.
That doesn't matter. I don't.
Pull her
So
out.
that gives you a right to disobey me and go and mess with my investigation.
I just gave her a kiss and told her everything will be okay. That's all I told her.
Did I tell you to do that? You walked away and then you went and you snuck around.
I have nothing to hide.
Take it.
Okay.
You want to just have it?
Yeah.
Clearly, she can figure out how to call you some other way. She wants something.
Yeah.
All right, let me get the seatbelt for you. All right, go ahead and step out. All right, come on over here to the side. Let me close the door. All right, let's go forward.
I passed her test. Like,
Did you? Nice.
All right, to the right. Go ahead and stop right there. Let me open the door for you. Go ahead. Have a seat.
570.
Have a seat. You're gonna have a sit.
I can sit.
No.
when I feel like it.
Okay.
You can't tell me what to do. And like,
I can direct you what I need you to do.
I passed those tests, and
Okay.
you still, because you know
Okay.
I wasn't drinking.
So
And
go ahead. I'm gonna need you to have a seat.
I need to sit down.
I'm asking you to sit down because while you're in here, you are gonna be handcuffed to the bench.
I'm not gonna sit on that nasty seat.
Okay.
And I wasn't drinking.
You can sit on the floor.
But you can make me out to be like I was drinking. That's okay.
Okay.
I passed your
You're
test.
gonna have a seat.
I passed your test. And you're still being ugly to me.
Okay, have a seat.
I'm not gonna sit. You can't, no, nobody's gonna tell me to sit down on this nasty seat. No.
So you do need to have a seat. I'm not gonna have you standing in the holding cell.
There's a camera here. They want me to sit on
You can stand
this.
up. Have a seat. Have a seat.
They want me to sit.
Have a seat. Just have a seat.
Why? No. No.
Sit down, please.
Ow! Ow!
Pop, are you okay? Because you're overreacting. You started jumping and you almost hit me in the face.
No.
Are you trying to hurt me? Are you trying to hurt me?
I would never hurt you.
She, insisting the officer lied about detecting alcohol, refused a breathalyzer test. Regardless of her protests and defiance, she was charged with aggravated DUI and taken to jail.
Hurt you.
Okay.
Just sit down, please.
I would never hurt her.
I hope not. It kind of looked like you were trying to hit her, so I hope that's not the case. I hope that's not the case.
I would never hurt you.
I appreciate that.
Okay, you're gonna hang out here for a little bit. Once the time has passed, I'll sit you in front of that machine. Once you do that, if you choose to blow, you can. If you don't, that's fine. But you're gonna hang out here for a little bit, okay? All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
You good? Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I read you the New Mexico implied consent.
Gosh, like, what if I don't?
Have a seat, please. Thank you so much. All right, so I read that to you out in the field, and I told you that I'm asking you to provide a breast sample. You stated you didn't want to provide a breast sample. So now that we're here in front of the machine, I still like to ask people and give them the opportunity to change their mind if they choose to do so.
I didn't do anything.
Okay, so the New Mexico Implied Consent Act that I read to you is right here. I asked you if you would be willing to submit to a breath test. You said no, and I said I read the consequences, and then I also asked you again if you chose to be tested. So what
because you're just like picking on us.
I'm not picking on anybody, ma'am. The reason I'm here talking to you is because I got concerned motorists advised me that a vehicle matching your vehicle's description was driving all over the road, reckless, and so I came to talk to you to see what was going on, right?
It wasn't my vehicle.
Okay, well, they had your exact license plate. It's crazy. So either way, I came to talk to you, right?
Right.
Okay, so
I don't
in doing
believe
so,
that, but
and you're entitled to your own opinion, but we're here now, all right? So you have the opportunity to provide a test if you choose to do so. I have a fresh mouthpiece for you to use. If you choose to do that, the test is going to do its thing. Make sure it's ready to get a sample. If you provide a sample, you'll blow into the machine. If you choose not to provide that sample, then just know we're going to have to sit here, wait for it to time out, and then once it times out, then you'll be able to go back in the holding cell. But you do have that option, and know that you have those consequences.
My cousin, I was just helping my friend.
Okay, so at this moment is where the machine is asking for a sample. Are you choosing to, or are you going to refuse?
Well, I don't want to do any of that because I don't think I violated anything.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just letting you know. I read you the consequences for refusing, because either way, you are going to jail. So you're choosing not to. So we're going to wait until this time's out.
I'm not really if I'm already going, there's nothing I can do.
And I explained that, and that's fine. You also will get charged with aggravated DWI tonight. I read there's the consequences. Because you chose not to provide a sample.
I'm not doing that stuff.
That's fine. I already talked to your cousin as well. She advised me that you have been going through some issues, understandably, but turning to alcohol is usually not the best answer for anybody. All right?
Yeah, I've definitely been going through stuff.
Yeah, so it sounds like you've had some hard stuff, but lying about drinking doesn't make her, okay? Just to let you know.
Nobody is lying about drinking.
Okay.
Nobody's lying about drinking.
No, okay.
We were just trying to get home.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Nobody was drinking.
Okay, no alcohol whatsoever.
Yeah, we didn't really care about that stuff.
Okay. So, that's...
We really didn't.
I can smell the odor of alcoholic beverage still emitting from you, ma'am. The way...
I smell alcohol on you, too.
Okay, yeah.
Is that okay?
You're just reversing what I'm saying to you, so that's fine.
I do.
You know what alcohol smells like?
I do.
You do? That's weird, because alcohol doesn't have a smell.
I have a chemistry background.
Oh, okay. So then you know that alcohol actually does not have a smell. It's the drinks that it's in that it exudes that odor, right? So then you're lying, saying that you smelled it on me. So yeah, it's not okay that you drink right now, but that's fine that you want to lie about it. That's absolutely fine.
I'm really sorry.
So
what you're going through.
Yeah. Hopefully you can get some help.
Put that on me.
Yeah, that's not how it works, ma'am, but that's okay.
It is how it works.
It's not. Pushing your problems on other people is not how it works. It's not a good thing to do.
I can smell alcohol on you. Babe.
Okay, yeah, that's weird.
I can smell alcohol on you.
Yeah?
Or is it like the
What's up?
the hand sanitizer? Because the hand sanitizer smells like vodka.
Okay, so just know it has shown that you did not provide a sample. So again, like I stated.
Oh, well, you smell like vodka.
Okay, so as I explained, you're going to be charged with aggravated DWI. All right, so go ahead and stand up for me. I'm going to have you back in that holding cell. All right, go ahead and have a seat for me. I'm going to do some paperwork, and then we will be heading to the jail shortly, okay? All right. All right, turn your hands towards me. There you go. Still refuse. I'm gonna read her the advisory and then cut the camera. Let's see. Yeah. Oh. All right.
Oh my gosh, you're loaded and you're trying to say that I'm loaded. That's hilarious. I get it.
All right, so you're ready to listen to me? Okay, so as I had stated, you're getting charged with aggravated DWI.
What about you?
Okay.
You're drinking.
Okay, so are you not going to listen? Is that how we're going to do this? You're not going to listen? Kept talking yourself to this level. It is sad for you. So I'm attempting to read you your notice of revocation. If you choose not to listen, I'm trying to talk to you, and you are acting very immature. I'm gonna tell you one more time.
Oh my God, this is on your finger. Can you see? Can you see, guys?
Okay. I'm gonna.
She has her finger. She's obviously intoxicated. Oh my God.
That is the last time I'm gonna explain it to you. I'm gonna give you your paperwork, and it'll be booked with you, okay? Because I've made several attempts to be able to speak with you, and you are very belligerent, and you're gonna. Are you gonna? Wait, hold on. Give me 2 more minutes. You're gonna come back and use that word on me, right? Okay. Cool. Bye. Yeah. Try that. Spell it. All right.
Listen. Your breath.
Listen. If you need.
Can we test your breath?
Real quick. Listen to me.
No. Sit there.
Listen.
Test.
If you need to use the restroom, if you need water, you need to.
No, you are an alcoholic.
Okay, I'm trying to give you the opportunity if you need to use the restroom. You're not sorry. You're not.
The woman faces fines, jail time, and increased license suspension. The upgraded charge of aggravated DWI due to her refusal to take a test in intoxication could lead to harsher penalties, including longer jail time, higher fines, and mandatory treatment or breathalyzer use while driving.